Okay, fellas, we just did this. This kit is ready to go together. Did get some blemishes on the factory muffler and gas tank, so not a big deal since I'm changing these out, I guess, and that's why they didn't care to worry about that. Got my throttle grips, got my sprocket mounts, got my cable, got my starter switch, and got my throttle and kill switch and chain, sprocket, clutch, chain, sprocket, gears, and chain for that exhaust piece, intake, air cleaner, and muffler, and mounting bracket, and the tension wheel, spark plug wrench, and gas shutoff, and filter, gas line, fuel cap. So got the instructions, got the sprocket, and I've got the bike. Once we mount this on there, we'll tear it apart and then repaint it. And I think this one needs a back tire, but should be interesting. Got a little chain guard here, and that'll be painted the same color as the bike, as well as this mount. Once we break these loose, we can configure this to fit the frame, and probably do like a spacer, make a spacer that will cause this to be snug, give it a snug fit. Looks like the back one's pretty much okay, and that's it. We won't need these directions, because this is something that is like a puzzle that you, one piece on, the next piece goes on, the next piece, and pretty soon it's all there and ready to go. The only thing we're going to change out is this sprocket setup to get away from this Chinese sandwich wheel where it sandwiches it onto the spokes, and that's not a good thing. Those are very hard to true up and get straight. So we're going to buy a hub kit. It's been an extra 30 bucks. Now this kit was like $300, and I opted to get this because even though you can get a 79cc Predator from I think this is a Predator, from Harbor Freight, the thing is they don't have the same throttle linkage hookup like this one does. I mean, you can buy a kit and you can redo it and all. And this is the first video of the build, so got the parts laid out. We got this engine here. We're gonna fill it up with oil and gas and then test it. We'll do a video on that. This is 79cc motorbike kit, and basically this is gonna be a great little custom job, because we're gonna do a paint. It's gonna have new wheels, new brakes, and basically it's a mountain bike. And one thing we didn't get is a pedal kit, and doubt that the kit came with a pedal extension kit, but those are easy accessible, and we'll order one of those. Probably end up taking this off because it's a sprocket connected to the pedal arm itself, and that's gonna have to be deleted, and we'll lose the 3 gears here, but we'll contain the 7 gears, and then we'll just be using their one sprocket right here that comes with the pedal kit, which that makes it easy and simple, and no complications. We'll see you on the next video.